Okay, so first of all, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Hi Ruby, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great as well.
Okay, nice to hear that. So I know you, but would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, sure. Like, I am an engineer by profession. I am currently working as a design engineer. I am living in Pakistan, Islamabad. Yeah, that's brief introduction of me.
Okay, and how's your day going on?
Yeah, everything is going on well, but here in my place it's too cold. Like it's a cloudy weather and it's raining on and off. So you can say it's so chilling and freezing here.
Yeah, same here in my place also the fizzy cold. So I want to ask you, we are talking on that a topic particular to nature. So after hearing this word, what comes in your mind? What comes in your mind? Just two or three things. When I say nature.
Okay, I would say nature is a kind of whenever it comes into mind, it means like a thing that has like you can say that is natural and that has some significant benefits. I would say nature is that kind of word for me.
Okay. Okay.
What about you? What comes in your mind?
Yeah, when I heard this word, so lot of things pop up in your mind like beauty, calmness, and bird, trees, ocean. Lot of things comes in your mind, in my mind, because I treat nature as a god, and nature gives us everything, and we all are part of this nature, you know. And nowadays, we are harming nature. You know about it.
Yes, you are right. Like, what is
Yeah.
the opposite kind of word for nature? Like, what do you think? Like, what is the opposite of nature?
Opposite of nature, which means I couldn't get your point. Opposite nature, which means unnatural thing.
Yeah, you're right. Like opposite mean like the word opposite word of nature. You are right. Like that is unnatural. Let's say nature is a thing, natural thing. Usually, God may makes natural thing, but the unnatural thing we can say it is man-made or artificial. So it's like that
Yeah. Okay. So can you give me any example?
of word.
I mean, unnatural things, unnatural whatever you are asking to me.
Okay, like let's see, we have crops that usually grow in the farms, like in the
Okay.
forest. That crops usually are, you can say, natural, and we have some crops like you can grow within your house by using some kind of special pesticides and medicines or something like that. So that type of,
Okay.
you can say, that is unnatural, that is artificial, you can say, or we can say
Okay. I
genetically
mean, we are
modified.
using some chemical for
Yes,
growing plants and all. You are asking me this kind of thing.
yes,
Okay.
we can say like that
Okay.
thing is not unnatural. We can say that is man-made or not man-made, that is modified or genetically modified. But the natural thing that comes from nature that has a kind of different, you can say, whenever you eat that, that has a different and original taste.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Nowadays, people are some lot of people they are growing some veggies and fruits by using some chemical product. Yeah, I have seen around in my society. People are using for growing fastly, but it's really harmful as far as my knowledge.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, and nowadays people are harming nature. Yeah, because they want to live comfortable life. So that's why.
Exactly.
Yes. So what do you
So,
think? Why people are harming nature nowadays? And it's
okay.
also increasing day by day. And that's why we are facing some problem, huge problem. We can say like flood and some natural disaster, global warming. We can say some man-made rather than natural because we are playing with nature
Yes, you
just
are right.
because of yeah we want to live comfortable life. So what do you think?
I would say with the evolution of technology, like things are become easier. Like now people they wanted to save their time. Let's say in the past, like when your mom or when my mom was washing the clothes, they just use like their hands to wash the clothes, but now they have some automated machines. Now they put just cloth inside that, and at the end, the cloth, like you can
Yes,
say, the machine will wash that itself. So now the people they are moving toward the easy and things that reduces the human effort. So it helps human, but in the other way, it can harm the nature. Usually, we can see like a lot of people they are just cutting down the forest just to use the wood for the lot of the purpose. But in other way, like when you cut down the forest, you are actually cutting down the oxygen and increasing the
yes,
carbon
absolutely.
dioxide in the atmosphere. So it's like that. I would say technology in the end it is helping us, but uh, generally it is
I
not.
mean, yeah,
It is
harmful as
harming
well.
the nature. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, of course. Because we are absorbing, we are using
Yes.
these things day by day, and it's also increasing.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, I have
So
one question. What do you like about nature? What is the thing that you like about the nature?
okay, yeah, I'm a nature lover person. If you ask me about my interest towards nature, so I love plant. Yeah, because I have read somewhere like greenery and plant, you feel like stress, uneasy. So just come out and see some greenery, and you feel, and after that you feel calm and composed. I have read somewhere, and yeah, it's a fact. I can say yes. So I want to ask you your inclination towards nature.
Okay. To be honest, like
Yeah.
I really like forest, mountains, these kind of places. Even in my own house, I have a small garden. I used to grow plants, vegetables, flowers in the past, but these days we have a winter weather, we cannot grow. But whenever I get time, I usually spend my time outside in the nature because I think like when you come closer to the nature, it really helps you to keep yourself calm, composed, and
Yes.
it's really good for your mind.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I want to ask you one thing. If you get a chance to visit any place for exploring some beautiful places, so which place you would like to visit? Any, it could be any national trip, it could be any international trip for
I,
exploring beautiful things.
I really like to visit mountains. Even last week, I went to a hilly area close to my city. That's
Okay.
why it was so cold there, and I got a flu even. But I really like to love
Okay.
the mountains, and whenever I see any place that is new and that is like on the mountain area, I usually visit that because I think like mountains and forests that are like lot closer to the nature. So I
Yes.
really like it.
Okay. It's nearby. I am asking to you. You have recently visited that place
Yes,
for exploring. Okay. You're,
it is around
okay.
1 to 1.5 hours of drive from my place.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Bye.